Today I am going to show Dreo Tower Fan. The Dreo Tower Fan with remote, 42-inch oscillating bladeless fan with 6 speeds, 3 modes, LED display, quiet indoor standing fans for home bedroom office room, black powerful floor fan with 12-hour timer. Now I will describe about Dreo Tower Fan 24 feet per second velocity. This tower fan is equipped with a powerful motor and a unique air duct that can provide a velocity of 24 feet per second, effectively distributing airflow around the room. It lets you enjoy the cool quickly. Lower noise, more serenity. This bladeless fan adopts a unique air duct design with fluid mechanics and minimize noise. Brings a comforting, cool, and ultra-quiet breeze, helping you to sink into a soothing night of rest. 90 degrees oscillation tower fan, compared to other 65 degrees oscillating fans, for quicker cooling. Ours provides wider coverage of airflow to increase indoor air circulation. 6 speeds plus 3 modes plus additional auto mode. Customize your breeze with 6 speeds and 3 modes, normal, natural, and sleep. Stay cool on hot summer days in the bedroom, study, or office. If you activate the pedestal fan's auto mode, the velocity of the wind will automatically change with the temperature, allowing your room to always stay pleasant and healthy. Clear LED display, track the room temperature, speed, mode and timer settings on the floor fan's large LED display. Easily access all settings via the control panel or remote control. Convenient and easy to use. Set the tower fan to sleep mode. The LED display will turn off automatically after 20 seconds, allowing a restful night's sleep.